I'm sitting in a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. This is the keyless go version. I've removed the remote start button. There's the fob hole. We're going to program a new fob and then program the keyless go features. So, turn our key to the on position. On. Chrysler Town & Country. I'm going to go to key coding. 13. We're going to go to fob system 1 first to do the immobilizer. Go to program key. It will automatically put your pin in for you. Okay, that part is done. Next, we're going to escape. Go to keyless go. Turn the ignition on. We were going to match keyless go. At this point, you're going to have to put your pin in. So let's go back and read the pin. Okay, it's 3453. Match keyless go. It'll automatically put it in the field for you once you read it. Press enter. Okay, it is complete. We can go ahead and turn our machine off. Take the key out. Locks and unlocks. We will put our key in here. It starts the conventional way inside. Take it out. Once this is complete, what you want to do is, before you put the button in, just put your foot on the brake, stick your finger in the hole, and push. It should start, which it does. Put your foot on the brake again, push in. It will stop. Take your stop button, push it back in. They're a little tricky to get back in, get it just right. There we go. And we are done.